Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and duplicate a page using the website builder on Hostinger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website if you're not already by going to hostinger.com, and from here you can go ahead and open up the services tab and open up the website builder. This is going to enable you to sign up for a plan if you do not already have one and go ahead and create your first website. So in your H panel you're going to be able to access your websites right here. At the left side of the screen I have already created mine, and now I'm going to click the edit button. It's going to open up this editor mode. From this editor mode at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can use for editing our website, and what we can do to duplicate a page is very easy. What we want to do is just click the pages section right here, and by clicking pages it's going to open up this pages and navigation menu from where we can manage every page of our website, and we have our main pages we have right here, and we can go and create a new one if you want by clicking add page. And as you can see here we can take a look at the pages we have. So to duplicate any page all we have to do is just click the three dots right here next to the page name. That's going to open up the settings, and you're going to click duplicate. By clicking duplicate, as you can see, it's going to create a copy of your page. Now you can move it around, you can go and select it wherever you want, you can delete it if you're not satisfied, and so on. And that is how it's done. That's how you go ahead and duplicate a page. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.